Okay, hello. So to fold this bike, first of all, we need to do the two things. We need to check this if this is actually a wheeled thing. If it is, you pull this up to this point, and we have another lock over here on the side of the handlebar. We also rotate this out. So the first step is actually to pull this open. Once this is open, you can see that this is all disconnected and there's a gap here. So you use your knee and push here, and then the bike will bend by itself. Once it's here, you can then pull here. You can then pull here and pull like this and make it into the size that you want. So under here we have a stand that is specifically for hold the bike when you do the folding. Once you hold like this, most of people might just put this on their car or something, but you can also perform this extra step of pushing the handlebar down like this, and there you go. That's how you fold a bike.